Look out. Slow down. Slow down, genius. It's the same dog again. It's the same dog with a different person walking at this time. That dog hates me. I don't know why it hates me, but it just hates me. The light's green. Get off your phone. Yeah, get off that. He's still on the phone. Let's see. Yep, texting away. Oh, this is just. Look at this. Now he's going to stop now in front of him. That's how people get. I'm telling you, that's how people get. That's how people get hurt. All right, officer, it's all yours. You just wanted to get to that light, by the way. Like, how can you see out of the car when all that crap in the windshield? Oh, the rear windshield, rear window. Car windows are for visibility, not for putting giant decorations there and stuffed animals so you can't see out of the car when you're driving. You still can't park. All the sensors, all the cameras, still can't park. That's a shame. Idiots always leave it blocking the sidewalk. And they leave their shit inside of everything and they just slobs. Let's just stop here and let people on. Take your time. You're not in traffic or anything. Just take all day. It's fine. Take your time. That's a great place to stop and have a conversation. You just take your time. You're not in the middle of the street or anything. He's on his phone. What a shock. See, this is what I mean. Where the hell is he going? Nowhere. He's got to prove he's got a bigger dick than everybody else. I'm telling you, these people, they think they're invincible. Watch this. This is where everybody's racing to get to. When you see people racing past, here, that's where they're going. To sit in traffic and stare at everybody else. That's where they're going. That's where their big hurry is going to lead them. To sit there and wait in traffic. Good luck. It's not my problem. And they're just sitting there, not, Thank you. Whoa. Oh.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.
I tried to call him, but the mailbox is full. Great. I tried to reach you by telephone, but your voicemail box is full. I'm going to have to leave the food. There's that cat again. I'm going to leave the food in the lobby. The time is 6:55 p.m. Okay, there. It's confirmed delivery. That's it. Let's go get the next one now. If anybody wants to lie and say I didn't deliver it, I have multiple forms of proof. 6:56 p.m. Thursday, May 28th. 6:56 p.m. People they do that shit on purpose, I swear. And they want to lie and say, oh, we didn't deliver it. I never got it. How the hell am I supposed to, when I don't know what apartment you're in, and I can't reach you via voicemail. They say call, leave a message. Your voicemail box is full. How do I leave a message? That's a good place to stop.
Jason?
Yeah, Jason. Thanks. Have a good one. Ari? Thank you. Josie? Thank you. I wonder if they're going to throw me offline at 9 o'clock. I wonder. Yeah, probably. Yeah, there it is. Good night. Let's go home. Told you. Same depressing shit, different day. That's all. Good night.